Hi everybody, I hope you're having a great day. It's me, Colleen from Feel Great Reflexology and Massage Cupping. I'm here to remind you about the feet reflexology training that's happening on Saturday, March 21st and Sunday, March 22nd from 1 to 5 p.m. It'll be a great day to learn all about reflexology. We'll be using different reflexology foot maps and showing you how the feet are related to the body. We'll be showing you how reflexology is an amazing way to detoxify the system and also how to relieve pain. We'll show you how reflexology is amazing for your circulation of blood, of lymph, and of your energy, the body's chi. So I hope you'll be able to come out and enjoy training with us. It's a great way to make new friends, a great way to receive a mini reflexology treatment, and to provide a treatment to partners. And as part of the training, you'll receive a finger and toe massage tool, and you'll also receive a salve. And this is a great pain relief salve, so we'll use it in training and you'll see the benefits of it. And if you have any questions about the training, please feel free to contact me. I'd be happy to answer. Have a great day.